Do you guys put that in the toilet?
Yeah, this one, so the way they had it in the old days, to check that line, you have to take the toilet off. But now, with this one, it'll go through it. So it's kind of cool.
Okay.
Saves people money, actually. And sometimes, most of the time, it's supposed to be easy to take the toilet off, but when it's like rusted or it's been a while, it turns into a nightmare. So simple stuff turns bad real quick with plumbing.
You guys look at a lot.
Ooh, look at that. Good flow.
Yeah, somebody's flushing something. Yeah. I've been a plumber my whole life. The people who taught me lived like 4 houses down. So I started learning when I was like 10. But when COVID came, we decided to start this company because the company we worked for, basically, I didn't make any money for a whole month. So I was like, man, the world's about to end. Everything's going crazy. I'm going to try to start my own thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've just been doing that. And
I could have said something, but I just want to let
I'm trying to specialize in actually helping people. Like, most of the companies just want to put the camera in and use it as a scare tool, saying something's broke when it's really not. They say you need to break your floor, $20,000. Nothing even wrong. They just need to clean the pipe out good. They don't have the right equipment.
At least you're an honest person.
We try to be. I think that's why I said I got extreme ADHD, and then when I met her, she told me she had the Asperger's or whatever. And I was like, oh, I never even knew autism or whatever. But now that we've been together for 10 years, I feel like I got that. We both have both of it. You know what I mean? And yeah, it's been interesting. What was that?
Yeah, he said everything's all good. Sorry for the miscommunication. I said, yeah, me too.
Yeah, it's all good.
Yo, my bad. I don't know what happened, but we're good. And I told him you're checking through the kitchen right now, so.
Yeah, the furthest back place we're going through, so.
Yeah.
Basically see everything. It's all looking good so far. Just a little bit of buildup in the kitchen line. Needs jetted out maybe for preventative maintenance, but it's not clogged or anything.
Yeah, so it looks pretty for a primary kitchen sink. It's not the worst we've ever seen, so.
That must be that other kitchen probably.
That's probably that other one.
Go turn it on, huh?
Alright. I'm gonna go turn the kitchen on in the other.
Can you go just turn the water on in that other kitchen real quick? Just for like 30 seconds and then turn it back on. So let's see if that's where we're at.
Yeah, that looks like it goes up right there.
It looks like a clean out on the floor.
Yeah, I think it goes up right there where you were.
Yeah, that's a floor clean out right
Yeah.
there.
1 second, my supervisor is going to turn it on.
Alright,
Okay,
thank you so
perfect.
much. Yeah. We just like to make sure with what I'm seeing.
She's going to do it. Thank you,
That's the, yeah, that looks like the sink. It goes up and then
Just keep going quick.
yeah, sorry, I didn't know if this was a connected building or if it was like an individual building.
So we're like suite 101 and 102.
Yeah, you're like both, so I wasn't sure if you had a cleanup. I think there's a cleanup on the whole building, so I didn't know. It's so hard to know until you go places, so
Yeah.
we're all good.
Easy to do that.
It wasn't coming from that spot that I saw. I see water.
Yeah, there's water back under the bed. I think we're getting warmer.
I'm just trying to get an idea of how it was. It doesn't really matter, but I just like to do it.
Yeah, there you go. I think you're coming up on it. Yep. So that must have been another situation. Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Yeah, we're good. That was good.
I was just trying to confirm if with the spot I saw going up was that kitchen or not.
Okay.
Because I really didn't know. And if the water come from? No, it's not. It doesn't really matter. I was just trying to. All they really wanted to know is if it's like real bad and needs like work or something. So it doesn't seem to be bad. Only the kitchen has some buildup, just as normal when you put stuff down the sink like food and grease and oil and whatnot, you know. But other than that, it's looking good.
Yeah, it could be worse. We've seen worse, so that's not. So it doesn't need any major repairs. Could just use a maintenance cleaning. That's it. So that's good.
Yep.
Whatever you're doing, keep doing it.
We use like these little things, so no food can go in.